Hi, welcome to our series of Eclipse Productivity Hacks. So, in this video, I'll tell you a very interesting feature of Eclipse that nobody would have told you. So, what happens is when you start working in a company, you will have a very large code base, and sometimes you will see some code that you feel like that it is very useful. So, you want to remember that code where it is written. But what happens is after few days, you will forget that where that code was written. So I'll tell you a trick which will help you bookmark that code, and you can access that code anytime through bookmarks in Eclipse. So see, I found this very interesting code to print array with single line of code. So if I run this program, it prints this array. Now I want to remember this code where it is written. So what I will do, I will simply select this line and then go to edit, and you see add bookmark. So what I will name my bookmark as print array. Okay. So you will see a blue line here which says that it is a bookmark. Now how will you access this bookmark once you navigate to another class? So what you will have to do, you will have to click on this search icon, and here you will write bookmark. So you see the options. See this bookmark view you will have to select. When you open this, a view will open and you will have all your bookmarks listed here. So simply click on this and it will navigate to you to that particular code that you were looking for. So more such videos, please subscribe to our channel.